Morning, students. Today we have a new lesson: invention of the Vita Wonk. Invention of the Vita Wonk. Class 7 and 7th topic, that is supplementary, a long reading. Okay. So we are going to cover here 4 points. One is the reading of the lesson. Second is word meaning. Third is characters. Fourth is explanation or understanding of lesson. So let's know about it. So before you read, who are the oldest people you know? Who are the oldest things you have in your house? So oldest people are grandfather, grandmother, is it not? Again, what are the oldest things you have in the house? Maybe old bicycle, old telephone, old quality, is it not? Of old house with the tiles and roof, simple one. Many things are there which are of very old, is it not? In your city, town or village or in your house. So even in the city also or town also there are many things which are very old. Like old temples are there, old monuments are there, etc. Is it not? So they are also being found. How old are they? Maybe 50 years, maybe 100 years, 1000 years. Even a tree also in the compound or in the village panchayat, which the panchayat takes place under the banyan tree. Is it not? Some temples coming from 100 years old, etc. Have you ever wished that you were older? Have you wished that you could grow up in a hurry? I never thought of it. Is it not? No one comes to know how we become old or how we grow up and how the things change with us. Is it not? But everyone is going to become old. Everyone is going to grow. Every day is going to be a old for us. Every minute passed is going to increase our older stage. The inventions of Vita Wong. Mr. Willy Wong begins by inventing Wonka White or Wonka Vitae, which makes people younger. So he has invented Wonka Vitae, which makes people younger. Now, what is Wonka Vitae? We have to see. The character is Mr. Willy Wong. Mr. Willy Wong. Okay, and he has created Wonka Vitae. Let's see. But Wonka Vitae is too strong, and Vika Vitae is a very strong and it keeps people younger. So, some people disappear because their age becomes minus, and some people they disappear because their age become minus. Minus means deduct. Okay. Then one person actually becomes minus 87, minus 87, which means he has got to wait 87 years before he can come back. So he has got still 87 years before he come back. So 87 years back he is going to recall and tell us. Mr. Willy Wonk must invent a new thing. And so Willy Wonk has to invent a new thing now. Let's know what it is all about the young and the old. Young and the old. Opposite of old, young. Okay. Let's see. Mr. Wonka said, so once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. So he rolled her sleeves a dress which is worn and got ready for doing the work. Let's see what work he does. Once again I squeezed my brain. So squeezing my brain means giving a more stressing on the brain after thinking. Okay. Searching for the new recipe. Now new recipe is going to make. New recipe means some inventions, writings. Like recipe means how to cook the food and all is given. Same way is making how to make a recipe for making young people about the things. I had to create age. So first I created age. AGE. Then to make people old. To make people old. Older, oldest. So this is the very important. Old, older, oldest. Positive, comparative, and superlative degree. These are the degrees. Okay, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Old, older, oldest. So he created old, older, oldest, and again started to laugh on it. Ha 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 ha. Okay, exclamatory mark. I cried for now the ideas were beginning to come, and this is how we shouted. Now ideas came in my brain. How to make people to grow older and make them different categories. What is the oldest living thing in the world? Now we have to go for the oldest living thing on the world. What lives longer than anything else? What lives longer than anything else? Which is that which lives for several years. Several means cycles too. Okay. A tree, Charlie said. Then there was a tree, Charlie said. Right, you are Charlie. But what kind of a tree? So there is a tree called Charlie and said, right, you are Charlie. What kind of a tree? Not the Douglas fir. Not the Douglas fir. Fir is a tree with needle-like leaves and cones. Like needle the cones are. Okay, needle-like leaves. Needle the Suji. Suji ಗತ್ತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And cones. It is cone means like Rita ice cream. V type. Like Christmas tree, how you know? Like that. That is called a fir tree. No, no, my boy, it is a tree called the bristlecone pine, and that name of the tree is bristlecone, Bristlecone, bristlecone pine, that grows upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, and they grow in the Hiller slopes. Hiller means hilly area, and in the slopes, and the full hill is covered, and the place name is Nevada, Nevada. Nevada in United States of America, USA short form, okay, United States of America. You can find bristlecone pines on Wheeler Peak today that are over 4,000 years old. How many years old? 4,000 years old. 4,000 years old. And what is the name of the tree? Bristlecone pine. Found in which place? Nevada. Nevada, where it is situated? USA, United States of America. Okay, so 4,000 years ago. This is fact. Charlie asked any dendrochronologist you like and look at the word up in the dictionary when you get home. Will you please? So you can go to dendrochronologist. Chronologist means the dendrochronologists are they who study about the geography, like geologists, and about the creatures, things, dead bodies, bones which are fallen, and they study on that since how many years before it is, how it has come into existence, how old it is. All they come to know about it by studying with that. They are expert in that, and after their study, we come to know. And then you can see, so that started me off. This is how the work began now. Okay, who has started the work now? Mr. Willy Wonka. Let us see. Jumped into the great glass elevator and rushed all over the world collecting special items from the oldest living things. So Willy Wonka started to jump and started to fly from place to place, searching here and there, and went towards like an elevator. Elevator means you know how they fly elevators, is it not? Like an elevator. And started to collect all the oldest things. Oldest things. Now you can also see second one is given oak tree. A family of a large trees with a hardwood. The chinar in Kashmir is a kind of oak tree. So wood tree is found in a Kashmir. They are also grown from very olden days. Let's see what are the things covered now. A pint of sap from a 4,000 years old bristlecone pine. So bristlecone pine is found now. A pint of sap. A pint of sap. Sap means the blood of the tree. Okay, the liquid portion. Pint. The toenail clipping from a 168 years old Russian farmer called Petrovich Gregorovich. Now this fellow is known for the toenail. The toenail is such a old and a longer one grown of that person in America, Russia. That farmer's name is called Petrovich Gregorovich. 168 years old that toenail. 168 years old toenail. Okay. Person is from Russia. Russia. And what is his name? His name is Petrovich. Petrovich Gregorovich. 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 An egg laid by a 200 years old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. So there is another one incident. An egg is laid by a tortoise. You know tortoise. Okay, turtle. It is of a 200 years old tortoise. How many years old? 200 years old tortoise. This is the another one which is being found. Okay, done. And it had laid an egg. It had laid an egg. The tale of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. Tale of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. The tale is found of a 51-year-old egg of a tortoise. See, then another thing, the whiskers of a 36-year-old cat called Crumpets. There is also a cat from Whiskers community, Whiskers caste, okay, and called Crumpets. It is 36-year-old cat. How many years old cat? 36-year-old cat. It is called Whiskers. The name of the cat is Crumpet. 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 Okay? Crumpet. Let us see. The black teeth of a 97-year-old grimalkin living in a cave on Mount Popocatepetl. Popocatepetl. Okay, Popocatepetl, that is 97-year-old black teeth. How many? 97-year-old black teeth of a person. Who is living in the caves on Mount. What is the name of the mount? Mount Popocatepetl. Okay. Grimalkin, name of the person is Grimalkin. Grimalkin in a cave on Mount Popocatepetl. The next one we'll see the knuckle bones of a 700 years old. Knuckle bones also are there, which are 700 years old. Catalu from Peru. Catalu, Catalu from Peru. 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 They are how many years old? 700 years old knuckle bones. 700-year-old knuckle bones. Okay. See how old things are being collected now, how old they are. This is about the collections of whom? Of collections of Mr. Willy Wonka. Okay. And he has started to fly like an elevator and collect all old things on the earth. Let us see in the part 2 now what he says. Okay, so Mr. Willy Wonka is a cook, an inventor, a manager. So read carefully and find out who is Willy Wonka. Wonka bete means people, older or younger. Older. Okay, Mr. Wonka wants to invent new things which will make people younger or older. So which will make people younger or older? By this you have to come out and see how old the things are. Can anyone age by a minus number? What does minus 87 means? Minus 87 means. So whatever the things are there, when you do by minus 87, you will come to know about how old these things are. It is being mentioned here. What is that first one? What leaves that second one? Okay, so that you have to mention here. So there are many things given. Cedar is also one of the tree, evergreen with hard, red, sweet smelling wood used for making boxes, pencils, etc. This is also very old tree, okay, called cedar. Then plain pine trees. Pine tree is an evergreen tree with needle sharp leaves and cones. Flea, FLEA, is a small insect living on the skin of animals for their blood. It is also a very old creature, lives for a longer period. Now we are coming for the part 2 here. Let's know about part 2. All over the world, Charlie, Mr. Wonka went on went on. I tracked down very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit of something from each one of them. So tracked down means found by searching for it. Found by searching for it. And he collected some information of the creatures also. A hair or an eyebrow, or sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of the jam scraped from between its toes while it was sleeping. So he has found the eyebrows, and sometimes it was no more also. Like that, the situation he has found with the creature. And an ancient animal it is, a very old and ancient animal. Okay, name is not given here. Fine. I tracked down the whistle pig. Now it comes. He has drowned the whistle pig. Whistle pig is there. It means boar. Wild boar is called as a pig. Whistle pig. The bobolink, the skrock. These are all animals. The bobolink, the skrock, skrock. Then the polyfrog, polyfrog, frog. Okay. Polyfrog it is called. Then the giant surlicue, Curlicue, the singing slug, stinging slug, Stinging, stinging means smelling, slug, Slug, and the venomous squircle, Squirkle, venomous is a poisonous, okay, who can spit poison right into your eye from 50 yards away. From 50 yards, it can spit the poison in our eyes, and then we can become blind by that poison. After lots of boiling and bubbling, Charlie, let me just say quickly, but there is no time to tell you about them all now. Charlie, let me just say quickly that in the end, after lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing and testing in my inventing room, I produced one tiny cup full of oily black liquid and gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20-year-old Oompa Loompa volunteer to see what happened. And Charlie says, I made some black color liquid of after boiling it for an hour, and I gave it from my inventing room. And he has made in his inventing room that liquid and all, and he produced a tiny cup full of oily black liquid. It was a cup full of black oily liquid and gave to the person 20 years old and who is a brave. Name is Oompa Loompa. Oompa and Loompa. See how nice comical. Volunteer to see what happened and gave him to see what will happen. What will happen then? Charlie asked. Then it was fantastic, cried Mr. Wonka. The moment he swallowed it, he began wrinkling and shriveling up all over, and his hair started dropping off, and his teeth started falling out. And before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75. And it was very fantastic, said, cried Wonka. And he said, after thinking that his hair started to fall, his teeth started to fall, and very soon he came to look or know as if a 75-year-old person. A person who was about 20 brave and old was given this liquid, and the result was this. I knew it. He had suddenly become an old fellow of 75. From 22, he became 75-year-old. And thus, my dear Charlie was Vita Wong invented. And thus, this is how dear Charlie was Vita Wong invented, making the people old or things making into old. The medicine was invented. So this is all imaginary, okay, and assuming on part. So don't take it on the mind and don't go for doing any experiments and all to someone else. Okay, this is my clear-cut instruction to you. Just you have to assume how the things are taken in the lesson and made. Okay, it is not scientific, but shown as a scientific. It is not like that. No things can become older with the giving medicines, and no things can become immediately young as taking the medicines. So this is an assuming part. Then Roald Dahl, name of the writer is Roald Dahl from Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. So this is from Charlie and the Glass Elevators. Now there are also creatures which are shown in the textbook. You can see here there is a cockroach which is been mentioned. Okay. Then you can also see there are another some flies like a dragonfly and grasshopper, mosquito, housefly. So these are all the things which are being given. Okay. And is it palak dal? So how you are going to make palak dal? So recipe is given. Fill in the blank the recipe given below with the words from the box. Shred, cooker, time, tomato, half onion, oil, etc. These all things you have to take and make what? A recipe of it. Recipe of it. 1 dash, 1 cup dal, 2 thin green chilies, dash teaspoon red chili powder, 8 small bunches of palak, 2 dash, okay, 2 onions you can use, 1 tomato you can use, and salt to taste. Wash and cut the vegetables, okay. Then oil the palak. Put everything in a pressure cooker. Let the cooker whistle 3 times. Then switch it off. And a few cumin seeds in a oil and add to the palak dal. Okay. In the oil and add to the palak dal or shred and add to the palak dal. This is all about making of the what? Easy palak dal. Fine. How to make it? A family tree is a diagram now here. Okay, that shows the relationship between the different members of the family. And fill in the family tree below with the names, ages, and other details you think are relevant. So you have to go according to the ages of the people in the family, from old one to the younger one. So great grandfather, great grandmother is given. Then you can mention their ages and names. Okay. Grandfather, grandmother, great aunt, great uncle. They are all grandparents. Then coming to the next, uncle, aunt, mother, father, mother-in-law, father-in-law. They come to the parents. Then cousin, sister-in-law, brother, sister, myself, husband, brother-in-law. Then they after come to the below the parents. And again from them you can see again nephew, niece, son-in-law, daughter, okay, son, daughter-in-law, children, etc. Their children again growing. And again from them to granddaughters, husband, granddaughter, grandson, grandchildren. Again great grandson, great granddaughter, and great grandchildren. One by one the steps of the family generation is being shown. Okay, from grandparents till great grandparents till the grandchildren, great grandchildren. This is how the family of a tree. Okay. Now, how to speak and have a conversation is also been mentioned. Charlie asked, "What did happen?" Then this is the way of asking questions. What happened? Then with emphasis. Given below are few emphatic utterances. Emphasis means to give a more stress to know about. Say them to your partner. Now you can talk to your partner. Let your partner repeat your utterance without the emphasis. So making no more stressing, the partner has to just repeat to understand the wordings. Your partner may also add something to show she or he disagrees with you. Sometimes you cannot agree everything. So when you disagree, you have to show the reactions. How when it happened, how come immediately. So the reactions are very important. I did study. Partner, you studied. I don't believe you look at your marks. I don't believe you. Look at your marks. The way you have scored the marks. I don't think you have studied well. I did go there, partner. You went there, then what happened? Then dot dot. I do play games, partner. What about you? Then he does read his books, partner. So partner has to respond. Like that, you do say that most unbelievable things, partner. Will you tell me something about unbelievable things? The earth does spin around. Yeah. Please explain me, partner. Please explain me how it spins. We all do want you to come with us, partner. Then, will you make us to know about it? Tell us all about those things, about the spinning of the earth and about the unbelievable things, etc. What does know how to cook? Who does know how to cook? Partner. Do you know to cook? Have you cooked any time? I do believe that man is a thief. Partner. How can you say that a man is a thing? Will you explain me? So these are the things which you have to make discussing with you and your partner and make a good conversation. Okay, this is all very important. Let us come to the last writing skills. What they say, delivery delayed. When the postman arrived at the Roy household to deliver the mail, he was surprised to find a new vicious dog. He could see a very vicious dog. Okay, very dangerous. The dog was fastened to a tree by a leash just long enough to reach the front door. He was fastened is tied to the tree, but still very easy to come near to the front door of the things. Only one dog. The dog growled and bared its teeth. So opened its teeth and immediately started to growl, making sound. Pow pow. And then, but the postman managed to outwit the dog and reach the front door safely. But anyhow, he escaped the postman and far off the dog, he went and just put the letter in the door and came back. This is how delivery delayed. Why delivery was delayed is mentioned here. It's small things. You have to read and understand about it. Okay, because of the dog. So this is all about for today. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson, understood about it of a Willy Wong and about the invention of a Vita Wong. Okay, you also know the menu of making of a palak dal. So very nice lesson. Please read it. Okay, at home. Thank you. See you then.